Number 9 continues our work with the survey that Caesar did with his cousins. In question number 6, we found out the mean for the 9 friends that Caesar had picked in his survey. And number 7, we looked at the median of those 9 friends. And number 8, we had some new information about a new kid who came into town, and we added that to find the mean. Number 9 asks us to find the median also with this new neighbor who had 36 cousins, which is a lot different than the friends that had been surveyed previously. So, again, here's what we're going to do. We'll take a look and bring this down. Look at our information right here. Here's the original information that we have, and we're going to go ahead and do what we were doing previously in terms of putting these numbers in order, but then to be able to add the last, the addition of 36 cousins to this set of data. The smallest number of cousins is 0. The next biggest is 2. Let's cross those out. 0 and 2. There's another 2 in this set. 3, 5, 6, 9, 12, 15, and now also the neighbor with her 36 cousins. And the question is, what is the median if Caesar includes her cousins in the survey? Let's go ahead and see where this is in the middle. Now we have 10 as opposed to 9 different surveyed friends that we are including in the mix. 0 is the smallest number of cousins, 36 is the largest, 1 and 15, 2 and 12, 3 and 9. Here we have 2 numbers in the middle. Okay, so we need to find out what is in the middle of 5 and 6. Here, pretty easy. We can see halfway in between these 2 numbers, which are right next to each other, 2 whole numbers right next to each other. Halfway in between them is going to be 1/2. So the answer for the median is going to be 5 1/2, or 5 5/10. Here is another way, however, that you can be able to find the difference if those numbers are further apart and it's not as clear as to what the median would be. And I'll just show you that now. If you take and add those 2 numbers together, here we have 5 and 6. We add them up, and they're 13. If we divide that number in half, not 13, rather 11. 11 divided in half, 11 divided by 2, is going to be 5 times 2 goes in 5 times, with 1 left over. We can continue to solve this. Add a 0, bring down a 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So here we get the same answer. This is another way that you can go ahead and solve the problem of median when you have 2 numbers and you define the difference between those 2 numbers to find out what's in the middle of those 2 numbers. So the answer in either case, number 9, what is the median if Caesar includes her cousins in the survey? The median is 5 5/10 cousins, or 5 1/2 cousins.